What's up, guys? Will H, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So I picked up the watch as well, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I'm going to unbox that in another video, but we're going to go ahead and get the Fold unboxed. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I'll put the specs on the side over here. You guys want to take a look at that. I'm not going to talk about the specs. I'm just going to be unboxing it and letting you guys see what it looks like and introduce it to my channel. Now, I picked up the mint color. Let's go ahead and get this out. So here it is. Now, this looks blue to me right now, but it's supposed to be the mint color. It's actually pretty nice. It's not a really green or mint color. Now, I have had the color similar to this before with my Galaxy S24. I had the titanium color. There's nothing else in here. All right, so it's going to be under here. I had the titanium green, and then on the S23, I had the lime green. So this is all you get in the packaging. You don't get much in here. Just pull it out, show you guys anyway. So you get your SIM ejection tool, your charging cable, and your paperwork right there. That's it. And just looking at this color, man. Now, mind you, I am a little bit colorblind, but that actually looks blue to me right there. Not a dark blue, but a light color blue. And I know it's not. It's a mint color. So here it is. And I actually wasn't going to buy this phone, but I went into Best Buy and I picked it up, and I was very impressed with the build quality and everything, and I bought it. So I'm trading in my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for this device right here, and I'm excited about it. I didn't buy the last Fold. Let's go ahead and get that off, and excited about getting this one. Impressed by how thin it is. People talk about that. It is very thin. And then this color is dope. Let's go ahead and get this little sticker off. So I do see the green now that my eyes have adjusted, or mint color, I should say. It's not a green, it's a mint color. So it looks great. Looks great right there. We're going to go ahead and close it. That's the first close. Let's go ahead and get this sticker off the front. So there's that sticker, and here it is. So you guys can see that this is super duper thin. So going around it, you're gonna have your two microphones there, speaker, and your SIM card tray. And then here's your hinge, which is very nice and thin. The color of this continues on around from the back of it. You got a little Samsung branding right there. And then at the bottom of it, you're going to have two microphones, speaker, and charging port right there. And this matte fill on the back. This one's not going to collect a lot of fingerprints either. And then you got your camera right there all raised up. So be mindful when you put this on a flat surface. It's going to rock a little bit. But here it is, trying to give you guys the best angle on this mint color. Definitely not a bold color. In my lighting situation, now I will do some videos with this outside in the sunlight. So, but I do like how this is kind of matte around here. It's not glossy. And then here's your front screen. Let's go ahead and wipe this down. Front display is a bigger display than before, 6.5 inches. You do have a 10 megapixel 12 megapixels, 10 megapixels on the front right there. And then opening it up, you got a 10 megapixel right there as well. Let's go ahead and fire it up. See what we look like. Bezels look very nice. And this camera is not below the surface anymore as well. And the crease is very minimal. Definitely from the last one I had, the creases definitely has improved. So here it is, firing it up. Let's take a look at this. This is an 8-inch display right here. And like I said, I'm not going to go through the specs too much, but here it is. We're going to go ahead and close it up. And here it is right here as well. So, yeah, man, this is my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And like I said, they gave me $1,000 for my S25 Ultra. They're gonna give me $1,000. So definitely will unbox the Galaxy Watch 8 next. Stay tuned. Some more videos on this, cases and things like that. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.